Alright, Widex Enterprises, we have another Suzuki Omnichord. It's the OM-84. Oh, upside down. If you can see that. This one is very neat because it comes with the actual foot pedal. OFS-2 Suzuki. Plugs in right back here. And the coolest thing is this this walnut wood case with the fitted foam insert all together. Everything looks really nice and elegant and put in here. But real quick, I do not have the AC adapter. We got it loaded up with 8 C-cell batteries. So start off with, to show you the buttons work. Do a little playback record. Pick a little marching beat. Full volume control. Tempo. So, make this quick. This is very clean. No damage. The case definitely has a vintage look to it, so some minor scuffs. Not really anything to be disturbed about. So hopefully you get a good look here. But I took plenty of pictures, so let us know if you have any questions. I'll post a link. Thank you.